We have definitely loved having the elephant in the room. It's a beautiful art installation, bringing a lot of important conversations to our community. So one that I hear a lot is, I didn't realise family violence or violence against women was that bad in Swan Hill, which is always shocking when they hear that we're in the top 5, I think. One of the highest in Victoria anyway. And yeah, so that's very shocking, but it really brings it to the forefront of it is a community issue. It shouldn't be behind closed doors. It affects everyone. The other conversations I've had is people actually disclosing that they have experienced family or violence against themselves, or violence against women, or that they know of someone, so a family member, a friend, a co-worker, and that makes sense since statistically it's much higher in our region. And it's great to have those conversations. I don't think they would have been brought up without the installation, or it's really hard to bring them out. In the past couple of years, we've really focused on 16 days of activism against gender-based violence in Swan Hill, yet it still misses some key populations in Swan Hill. It still misses people in their busy lives. So this has been a great piece to bring together community, have those conversations, even with families. So a lot of parents say, we don't know how to bring up the conversation of violence, and especially violence against women. How do you even talk about it? And we say, look to the brighter side of the elephant. There is hope. We can promote gender equity in the early years. You can have a chat about who you feel safe with and who you can have those conversations with. I think being able to visually see something and it resonates with people. So whether you resonate with the hopeful side or the actual impact, seeing the emotions present in it, I think that's what's really helped. When we're actually bringing it over to the hospital, we had quite a few people walking it with us, interested in what it was, and someone did say that the trunk being up is supposed to represent hope. Yes, definitely starting those conversations. I feel like that's the biggest hurdle in our communities, especially rural ones. Like I said, most people say it's not our business. I think drawing out those conversations has been the biggest hurdle to get over, and if we can make those conversations, we can then go into our actions. What can we do about it? How can we help? And people do look for that, so they get those resources, they understand what to do if someone does disclose that they've been impacted by violence.